Hi everyone. Let's say you've generated your image with AI and you see that some visual elements has a color that is a little bit off, a little bit wrong, or maybe you have a variation of your product which is different only by color and you do not want to bother generating the image again, or because the quality might get worse or some other visual aspect might get broken. So here is a quick trick for you. You probably know the platform that's called Canva, and this feature that I'm gonna show you is absolutely free. You can use it even if you do not have a paid plan here. So let's say this is my product. It's a cocktail can and the color is a bit wrong here, but I do not want to generate this image again because I know that each generation will eat some of the image quality. So I just took it here and I just click this image, click edit. Then I go to click again. And what Canva does, it scans the entire image and then you can click on certain objects in these images. In case the object which you want to adjust was not highlighted here, you can use Magic Brush and turn on the auto detect feature and just hover over the object you want to highlight and it will automatically select it. So let's see how it does. So it selected it with the finger, but if you do it a bit more carefully, you will certainly get it right. I think you understood the point. In our case, we can do it simpler. So I will simply click the cocktail can, and then you need to click adjust. Then you simply scroll down, and here you will find the colors that you have on that product or that visual element which you want to adjust. And what you need to do is just change the hue a little bit. So in my case, I want to make it a little bit more purple. So I think this was the original image. And now I want to make it a bit more purple. So this is what I got. And what I do is I simply go out from here and my image is ready. Here you go. And the same way, let's duplicate this page. Let's try to adjust it again. The same way, let's change the color to green. So click adjust. And now you can choose any color you want here. So let's make it green this time. And here you go. The second image is ready, and let's say it's your another variation which has a different color, and it was simply done in 30 seconds for absolutely free. So it's a very simple trick which you can use. It might not always work because sometimes Canva might not detect the specific color in your image. For example, if I do it with passport, well, first of all, it cannot identify the passport itself. Let's say we use the brush tool, the way I described earlier, and let's highlight the passport only and see if it detects its color and allows us to adjust it the same way we did. You see, now it did not detect a specific color we could adjust, but what we still can do is we can play with brightness. We can change the temperature, which also influences the color a bit. So now it's a bit bluish. We can work with the tint, and yeah, it's also a nice tool if you need to adjust a little bit such elements as your brightness, the darkness of your element, and things like this. But it's not an ultimate life hack. So yeah, keep in mind that it got the limitations. So it might work. It's worth trying because it's just 30 seconds. And if it works with your product, perfect. If not, then you might use some other tool, which we'll talk about in the different videos. So thank you for watching. Hope this will be useful for you and wish you good luck in your image generation and editing process. Bye-bye.